Ha, Jamasi. A few days back, your theologian group theologians hall as among question khat he discuss about hinna. So kewang group ma chu kadon but where I thought I should YouTube ma mi pite vetinga kadon but no. So question two, title as ang nangon na simu hitana. So let me say question to be antile pathin homna numei toka gap te a kitchen pathin kitchen Pathen Vahchoiyu hi piti Nagel. So you tell me nangon piti Nagel. Numei he say I think I will be the right person to hit on but nothing kagela hiti video you can see my hin. So I'll try to be very short. Firstly, John Siwang hi boy toka Pathen houna toka kitchen John Siwang hi boy. And a second chile, I think context na hoya muham that plays a very vital role. Few years back, kanyo laya ti thai so hechin mamin pasathi mu hechin in aman a video album he out the ball and I think she was shooting in Mumbai or somewhere. It's acha toka kitchenga aman so many beautiful songs na ichichu album hit song ahin kasay hello le and tutsan so many of us sing her songs. So so I remember kapate o khanin hiti cassette so ina puilo na hin pute am pate I'm so sorry kay boy. So asu kapate kaputen so kapupa ne pese am tele toka kitchenga Pathen Vahchoiyu di kasapu etina. So hitabang chun in that kayong chu cha chu ina kagial leken jong chu chiwang chu ti poi tia nyau la ya kagial panta so that Pathen Vahchoiyu ting lewang to kawang kitchengai poi tia kanyau wangina aji chu gapu was a pastor. So I also thought that chiwang chu a di poi. So after some years kayong Pathen lusen azang in gamchoma Bible zila kachi in and that I think gave me an exposure. Hichachu gamchoma Amsterdam makachi ka college baka seminary worship leader bola ka venele mizo numezo se to ka kiching. Chachu kayong chu after some months worship makazawin kaybang to ka kicheng thailo na ken azi chu eo culture bitidiam inlanga to Nepali culture hi kisi bitidiam similar hina kibang ahin and in Nepal azong hovina to ka kichengai boy and then inlanga azong. So kaya no bitidiam to ka kiban thailo so. So kaloi they was partisan normal they were dresses so they were toka and Pathen Vahchoiyu kibang salwar ka kinga banzina salwar nen ka kiban. Some he me worship ki thing like kaloi te hon I do professor te hon ka ko ma honga and I really liked the way you led the worship hilowa nangin Pathen Vahchoiyu nala sao chu kade ye hilowa na wan so ye na salwar so hoi wale tina. So some chu ka comfortable ta lo cho ai le ibola Pathen ka Vahchoiyu wang in ma on ka van bo gial hong katina and then slowly I started understanding this deeper meaning that context it plays a very vital role. Hichachu toka kichenga hina mean salwar a kichenga poi chise ama ken ka chen chu ke sang in kavan ho like Pathen ka Vahchoiyu sang in kavan ho hi ma hon de sauna sari zong le salwar zong le aiban kaloi te ho wang amaja sei po na. So then I understood that really amun in apo that's very very important. So they kanan kewang bidiam tua hoin sunga hoin zonga ya hoin inlang hoin ho hile I hoina hi mi so sen bidiam alhangpena if everybody wears bone way then and if you are asked to lead worship nangin kilomota ipidiam tokana kitchen diang chiwang chu temkhana kilom poina. John Siwang Hilowe, but I think context plays a very, very important role there. And let me read a Bible verse there, okay? Romans 14:15. Romans chapter 14 verse 15. Anything is saying, ne le cha chungana sopi alung phat mole ngai lutna tho John kalo nahi And I'll read it in English also. I think in English it's much more clearer. So Romans 14 verses 15 says, if your brother is grieved by what you eat, you are no longer walking in love. So he eating example ay pe ahina. So ne let's assume to imazo se ne the ahi. You can eat everything. Zongle naso pipawin nathil ne say if the person is not comfortable, then don't eat at these or pawalin naso pipan nathil balls a day lole. It's like is not comfortable, then that's not a sign of love, Athena. So in the same way, nangin nakiwan, so everybody is wearing ponwe. Miso say comfortable low day. The when you are leading worship, then if your audience is not comfortable with what you're wearing, then I think you should respect that. Chibang Chichuban say no mahin. Um and what was the another thing that I wanted to say? And dress appropriately na. Um even if you see if the bone ways on given if the center of attention is our dress a dress here the center of attention is not Pathen lasa o ahilole itu say you preaching only teaching only no may if the center of attention is a one then I think you're not even honoring God in that way. So priority to let the message be the priority, let the songs be the priority. Na he chichu can say no yes. So context and environment in apu ahi ken bang Nepala context Nepal azong kasi bangin hawina especially if you're leading worship or if you are to say ho lewang toka ki chengai poi. But I see in lang ho these days I see so many YouTube videos where women have epidemic advanced na they have started transforming into wearing pants and wearing formal dresses when they are worshiping. I I would say the same thing. Album mo ki same ho bang. I don't think there's anything wrong, yeah. But still, even if in album, if the center of attention is your dress and gospel song, but the center of attention is your dress, then I don't think we are. Then I think something is not right there. But in the church, like kaimaya ke ho in kaimaya wang tu chan ho in sunga to ka ki cheng angai poi na phal poi. So I have to respect that, no. And do I came a personal choice to relay. I know it's not sin, but came a personal choice to relay Nepal la song. In Nepal also in so many churches like in Kathmandu Pokhara to like women ho hi khang to tai na to ka worship ho song to ka ali bol pan ta we. But my personal can worship kali thing lewang ahi thai jana preaching ka bol thing wang no me all agya the highest regard is yeah you wear saris right in India and Nepal. So I do that, I wear that and worship or lead ka bol thing le jong sari hi lo le sarwal ngan yan ki ban hi dress ho jang ki ban the hi skirt ho jang ki ban the jong le my personal choice tipo ahin. So this is what I wanted to say. And please, if any woman is wearing jeans toka and if she's Pathen Vahchoiyu and the audience is her church is okay with that. If nobody is saying anything, then I don't think we should have any problem with that. And to women, when we are worshiping God, truly let the center of focus and let the center of attention be the songs that we are singing or the message that we are delivering, and not like dresses ho he priority hi lo ding chibangchu can say no mehi. And I have also attached a short video a few days back. We had a youth seminar, so kum sort visawa kampia hompia worship lead kabolahin after a very long gap. So like I said, I wore a traditional dress in that and just wanted to attach that's a dress to kavetsa no milo just how we worship to kavetsa no meya. And yeah, let's continue worshiping and praising God. Thank you for choosing with the say here say for the thing I am hen ka